Hi everyone. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about how to freeze panes. So over here we can see the different columns: name of the patient, age, gender, address, district, etc., etc. So while I'm dealing with a large data set, when I'm scrolling down, I cannot see the headings of each and every column, and hence there is a probability that I might be lost. I may not know what I'm looking at. So in order to overcome this limitation, there is a feature in Excel called freeze panes. So this is nothing but we are going to make the selected row or column static. So I'm going to select this row and go to view. Under view, I'm going to choose freeze panes, freeze the top row. When I'm doing so, the first row gets frozen. So which means that even when I am viewing the data, even when I'm scrolling down, the heading remains static. So it will be there always. This makes interpretation of data easier, as well as it helps me to keep a track of where I am, what I am looking at. And this can be done to a selected range of rows or columns, and it can also be undone by selecting the option unfreeze pane. So we'll we will keep in touch about further tools in Excel, which is beneficial for all of us.